Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT based air quality pollution monitoring system. So here I'm using an IoT web page, HTTP, HTML, PHP, MySQL, DB, SMS alert, email alert, and Android app. So here we are using one Android app, and email alert is, so it is coming like email alert. Outlook. Okay. Primary social updates. So it is temperature alert, MQ6 gas alert, and MQ9 CO alert. Okay, now here we have a one web page, IoT web page. So we need to give user ID password. So I given user ID password, temperature, MQ6, MQ9, show full data. So these are the values. Okay, so main screen. Okay, now let us coming into the block diagram. Arduino R3, and three sensors I am using: LM35 temperature sensor, and MQ6 gas sensor, and MQ9 CO sensor. Okay, CO sensor, A0, A1, A2, and cooling fan, temperature dependent fan speed control. If temperature is high, fan speed is high, and if CO sensor is high, SPDT relay, AC bulb is on, red bulb, 16x2 LCD display. These are the pin connection, and we are using Max 232 IC, level converter, voltage level stabilization IC. We are using SIM 800L GPRS module we are using. Okay, so let us coming into the hardware. 230 input, step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. And so Arduino R3, and here I am using three sensors: LM35 temperature sensor, MQ6 gas sensor, MQ9 CO sensor. So here cooling fan, if temperature dependent, fan speed control, we can see on the voltmeter speed. Okay, SPDT relay, one AC red bulb, and here Max 232 IC, and it is connected to the SIM 800L. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED, and GPRS modem, SIM 800L I am using. So I inserted SIM card here. Now I am going to give the power supply. Okay, IoT based air quality pollution monitoring system, GSM connected, disable, echo, finding network, text message, CGATT, GPRS serial, GPRS2, GPRS setting, serial came, HTTP1, and internet is also came. LED is blinking. Now temperature is 38, MQ6 and MQ9. Now we can see the temperature on voltmeter. Okay, so temperature is 30 on 6th pin. Okay, 2, temperature 31. Now I am going to increase the temperature 54. Okay, fan speed also increased. Now it is decreasing the temperature 41, temperature 38. Now I am increasing the temperature 60 and above, SMS alert, email alert. temperature 76, sending. Okay, 76 sent completed, sent. Okay, yeah, 76. Okay, 3529. Okay, now I will receive one email alert from this website, primary, and temperature alert. Okay, high temperature alert, and I will receive one SMS alert, temperature alert. Okay, temperature alert, temperature 76. Now I am giving smoke alert or gas alert. Okay, gas. Okay, it is sending, action completed. Gas alert. Okay, MQ6 244212 sending data. Sent completed. MQ6 sent. Okay, yeah, 212. Okay, so we will receive one email alert. Yeah, MQ6. Okay, high smoke sensor alert, MQ6 alert, and we need to give CO alert. If CO, this red LED should be on. So same thing, I need to use 2 to 3 tube sticks CO sensor, but I'm going to control this one only. Two 115, red LED is on, red LED is on. Sending data web page, send completed, send completed. Open the web page, yeah, MQ9 218. So if it is low, 200 and below, and bulb is off, email alert, go. Yeah, MQ9 sensor alert, high MQ9 sensor alert. So high gas alert and high CO alert. So yeah, CO sensor and gas sensor, gas alert, CO alert. So we are using 3 sensors: web page, a temperature controlled fan speed, and MQ9 sensor with the bulb. And thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to svsembedded. And please subscribe my channel, and please press bell icon.